First, open the fingerprint log. Start to record the first fingerprint as the administrator's fingerprint. First, press and hold any finger until the blue light stays on, and then release. Next, use any fingerprint for multi-angle recognition and enrollment. Keep pressing until the green light turns on. After the green light is lit, the first administrator's fingerprint is successfully enrolled. To user fingerprint entry, press and hold any finger until the blue and red lights flash. Then release the finger. Then use the administrator's fingerprint for authentication until the blue light turns on. Then use any fingerprint for multi-angle recognition and enrollment. Until the green light is on, the user's fingerprint is successfully enrolled. Delete fingerprint input. First, close the fingerprint log. Next, for the fingerprint deletion operation, press and hold any fingerprint until the red light stays on. Ignore the blue, red light flashing. Release your finger when the red light is on, and then touch the fingerprint sensor with the administrator's fingerprint. All the enrolled fingerprints will be deleted.